What is going on? If you're tired of paying monthly for a marketing system, if you're tired of not having enough to meet those monthly fees, or not making enough money in your business to be able to meet those monthly fees to pay for your marketing system, I want to introduce you to the My Six Figure Blueprint Marketing System. No experience needed. With this system, you'll be able to have the same thing: edit capture pages, an autoresponder where you can gain up to unlimited leads, where you can have contacts, and it has built-in tracking so you know where those contacts are coming from and where you can focus more of your energy to be able to keep attracting leads to your offer. And if you're looking for a way to get paid directly to you, they offer a composition plan that goes 2 tiers deep. It's a one-time fee, and you get paid for any time someone who joins under you has a sign up and a referral. I'm going to go over into the system so you can see what tools that they offer you as a marketing system. I have the link in the description below if you want to check out this free video on what it is and how and what it has to offer. And if you want to join and continue to watch it, put your name and your email into the address box so you can continue to find out more information when it comes to My Six Figure Blueprint. It's a fully automated system, so if you want to resell the system and you don't know how to explain or tell what this system is, it has fully VSL capture pages. With those are video capture pages that explains and does all the selling and telling for you. Now I'm going to jump over into the system so you can see over in my back office they have a video training on how to edit your capture pages. And I had an itch in my eye. And I'll go over into the link so you can see those capture pages, how to view your contacts. They go over how to edit a bridge page. Bridge page is very important in your business because it gives a personal touch of who you are to that person who's checking out the opportunity and your opportunity. So it start building that know, like, and trust when it comes to the online space. How to set up your autoresponder. Again, you'll get unlimited capture leads with this. You can set up a third-party autoresponder to this, like MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse. You can all link those to this marketing system if you still decide to use those. You can send a broadcast message every 3 days to your entire list, or just that certain list that you want to send a message out to. You guys hear my baby in the background. She's over there eating her cereal. My name is Corey Norris. I'm an at-home dad. I love marketing. I love bringing systems that can help people further their marketing, or if you want to get into digital marketing, that you could use these opportunities to start making 100% commission to you with these opportunities. And I'm going to keep going. It has a QR code creator, so you can be able to create a QR code with any URL: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or even a cell phone link. So that way you can put these on cards, you can put this on a shirt, you can put this on a hat. So that way you get direct link to your advertisement, and a URL shortener. So with the URL shortener, just like the bit.ly, you have it right here. You don't have to go and transfer to another website to be able to shorten your URL. And you can hold up to, I think it's maybe about 20-30 URLs. Don't quote me on it, but it has a 1-minute video also explaining how to use the URL code shortener. It's one thing I do like about it. It has all the videos, so if you forget something, you can always reference back to that video to know how to use the system and set up the system. Now I want to go over real quick over into the dashboard so you guys can check out the links and how this works. So over in the main dashboard here, they give you a video. This video is going to give you a whole guiding tour of everything that's happening in your back office anything that's new or starting to change within the system, they'll update that video so that way you're always in the knowing of what's going on in the system and what updates. And there's a lot of new updates coming, you guys. I'll be giving you more videos on the updates that's to come. Again, the link is in the description if you want to check out my six-figure marketing system. So I'm going to jump over into the links. It's all done for you if you decide to be a reseller of the product, because they give you the reseller rights once you join in with the opportunity. This is a lifetime, no monthly fees, one-time payment, and you get resellers rights. So you'll earn 100% commission straight to you. I'll go over and show you how you would set up your payment system with this marketing system so you get paid 100% direct to you, and you'll be able to get those leverage commissions because they offer leverage with this system. Now, if you're new to online marketing and you don't know how to set up a capture page yet, and you don't know how to set up a bridge page yet, they do offer the video sales pages that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. You'll get up to 11 of these sales pages. You can edit them. You can make them your primary editor page. All the pages in here are you can edit and make it your own. So that way you'll be able to promote any other opportunity that you have if you're already a seasoned marketer with this opportunity. Capture pages. Excuse me, guys. I've been sick fighting it, but I'm here with y'all rocking it out. Bring you guys all the new updates that's coming along with every marketing system that I can get my hands on and show to you guys that I believe that's going to actually help you either become an entrepreneur online with digital products or enhance your marketing that you're already doing when it comes to digital products and marketing online. So here you have capture pages that you can edit and make it your own, or you can use these capture pages just how they are to be able to market the system itself. If I go over, just want to show you real quick inside the marketing tools here. We'll go back. So I'm going to go down here to autoresponder. Now with this system, let me close this out. So with this system, it comes with a 30-day follow-up email sequence. Excuse me, I'm itchy. It comes with a 30-day follow-up email sequence, so that way your prospects are already receiving emails right when they join and they send their contact information. So that way you don't lose sales, and they say sales are in the follow-ups. So that way your prospect can even gain more know, like, and trust when it comes to you and how you'll be able to continue to keep marketing. So this system comes fully automated for you, ready to rock and roll, get you started. It's a one-time fee payment. I'm going to show you right here how you can set up your payment process with my six-figure marketing system. So you'll come here. It's going to give you a 1-minute video, show you how to set up your whole payment process using Cash App, a manual, meaning like a credit card, debit card, Zelle, Stripe, and you'll sit here. You'll set up your payment processes, and it's real simple. You'll just click on which processing system you want to use and add your information into it, and it's already linked to your button and it's ready to go to be set up from there. So I do it with this accept Bitcoin and Cash App. I'm going to add Stripe. I do like using Stripe because some people only have like a card or credit card, debit card. So Stripe is good to have. I've never really messed with Zelle. I'll be looking into that, and if it's a good payment processing system, I'll do an update and bring you guys that. But I don't want to hold you too long. I know you have a full day ahead of you. I thank you for rocking with me to the end. When it comes to watching my videos, I appreciate you. Make sure you like and subscribe. to the channel so you don't miss out any updates that's coming with my 6-figure blueprint marketing system and it as a whole. And I'll get with you guys on the other side. The link is in the bottom of the description. I'll see you guys later.